इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
In this holy book, Vain Saru, the catalog of wisdom, Acharya Gurudev Sunil Saji Maharaj, in third stanza wrote so fantastic. Deho sugumo logi panatho dugumo mado nammatho dullo lohi paramatho sudullo. In this world, it's easier to fulfill your all self-desire, desire of your human body like food and shelter and these other things. But sweat is quite different to help the needy. It's little bit difficult to help the needy, but it's very, very, very difficult to attain the omniscient Lord. It's very rare phenomena, and you got that thing, you're so lucky. It was a yesterday quotation. Now today, Acharya wrote a step to success. He is giving the mantra for success in each and every area of your life. Padamo pannavi saso sankapo sudotaha tadiyo saddabhaso sahaloho dimanoso. Padamo punnavi saso. Visaso. Punnavi saso. Punna means purna, paripurna, perfect, complete. Vishwas, confidence. The person who is fulfilled with path in each and every area of life. Suppose the person who has no path in himself, in own self, he can't get faith in other person's life. Padmo punna visasu. Okay? Then sankalpo sudotaha. Then sankalpa ki dridhata, determination power. Determination power. The person decided something, now decided to come temple. So at this way, increasing your determination power. When your determination power will increase, surely you can cause any result in any field of your life. Nothing can stop you. Nobody can be the barrier in path of success. No matter how big is your goal is there, no matter how materialistic you are, no matter how spiritual you are, in any field, spiritual field or materialistic field, you can create, you can cause whatever you want in life because help of the determination power. So firstly, faith. If you have faith, then you will decide the determination power. Then tadido sadabhaso. Sadat abhyas. Continuous practice for anything. Continuous practice. Suppose rain is raining and after 1 minute rain will stop. Then after 2 minutes again rain will start. Then again 2 minutes rain will stop. Then again 2 minutes rain will start. Then again 2, 3, 4 minutes for 1 hour rain will stop. Then after 1 hour rain will start. Then after 1 hour rain will stop. So what will happen? You can't get result. Like cooker. Cooker is on gas. You're preparing food. Your mother, otherwise you own self, you're preparing the food. Okay? So after 1 minute, you will close the gas. After 1 minute, then again you will start to fire. Then again 1 minute you will stop the fire, then start fire, then stop fire, then start fire, then stop fire, then start fire, then stop fire. What will happen? You can't get good food. Gas is also there. Cooker is already 100% ready. The person who is hungry is demanding, give me food, give me food, give me food. But the mother is telling, wait, 3 whistles. After I will open the cooker, then I will serve the rice and whatever is there in that cooker. So continuous efforts. Because of something, you started any special work. Because some barrier, you stopped it. Then what will happen? Your confidence, it will lose. Oh, I can start anything, but I can't complete anything. The 3 things is Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. In Vaishnava Parampara, is Jainism, Utpad, Abhay, Dhruvya. Brahma means initiatives. Okay? You are starting something. So many persons, they have no courage. They have no freedom. They can't start any work. What will happen? I will start it work. I will get enough money. I will get the person. I know many power, manpower. I know very good planning power. I'm not a good planner. I'm not so enough talented in genius. So I can't start any war. People will be the barrier in path of my success. So my parents, otherwise my boss, otherwise my colleagues, they will not help me, support me, cooperate me. Otherwise the person who's officers, they will not give me permission. So because of any reason you're stopping, you're unable to start the work. It means you're unable to be the Brahma. The next one step is Vishnu. You started something, but you stopped it because of the reasons. First step was, what was there? You were feeling unable to start any work. The second step is there. You started that thing, but because some barrier, because of obstacle, because of trouble, because of some problems, maybe it's internal problem, or really it's very what can I say? It is the root cause of every barrier. Nobody's power and daring and courage to create the barrier path of life. Only you and you are the barrier. You means your feeling, your emotions. You didn't decide something. You know faith in that work. Without faith, faith will not work you. Faith and faith. Faith means faith. Faith means luck, destiny. If you will start any work with full confidence, with full willpower, then God will help you. There is proverb in Urdu कि हिम्मते मर्दा मददे खुदा. That means if you create daring and courage to start any work, to do any work, then God will help you. God means what? Confidence, willpower. It will support you, it will enlighten you, the path of your success. Suppose you lantern in your torch in your hand. Consider only 8 foot, it can lighten the 8 foot. Then what will happen after 8 foot? No, don't think like this. Just go ahead 8 foot, then again 8 foot it will lighten the path. You can continue your journey of success. The same thing happens in this also, spiritual world also. So spirituality and materialistic thing, both are not different directions. If you like this much type of belief is there, then throw it out. Keep it in dustbin. If you go ahead in spiritual field, then surely you can get rise in materialistic field. And if you are getting so many success in materialistic field, surety, guarantee, then you can get the power. You can get so many peak in spiritual field. Spiritual and materialistic field, both are same thing. In Hindi, Lakshmi and Moksha Lakshmi. Moksha, the ultimate truth, God. We can say that is according Zen philosophy. That is Moksha Lakshmi and Lakshmi, both are same thing. The mind, the talent, the confidence, the willpower, the concentration, the determination power, and so many other things are there. These things can give you success in any field, no matter how much your goal is big, no matter is it spiritual, whether it's materialistic field. So, Achashi Gurudev Sulinsaji Maharaj in Vents, or he coded this thing. Firstly, Vishwas, believe, then Sankal, determination power, and then continuous efforts. Without continuous effort, you can't reach anything. You started anything, but you are not able to fulfill it. It means you are not Vishnu. You don't get to the stage in your life. Utpad bhay dhrovya. Mother gave birth to a child, but she is not feeding it. It is not feeding the baby. Then what will happen? It will die. So there in that field, feeding means milk. But in this field of success, feeding is what? Continuous effort. Continuous efforts. Because something is stopping. So Namokar mantra. You are daily continually chanting Namokar mantra. Then what will happen? You got to practice कि हाउ टू कंटिन्यू एनी वर्क. Because of continuity upon a work, you can't get result in any area, in any era, in any layer of your existence. So okay, that is human life. Like in business, like in health, so many ups and downs are there. So same thing, you can get the barriers and obstacles in also in religious, in spiritual field also. But that fear of failureness, it's not able to stop you. You become the unstoppable. If you will become the unstoppable in one field of your life, then that is unstoppability. In one field of your life, you will get access point to reach whatever you want in your life. Only one thing, it will make difference in your life. That what is it? Continuous efforts. सदियो सदभ्यासो सदत अभ्यासो कंटिन्यूस एफर्ट्स. मानुसो सहलो होदी, मनुष्य सफल होता है. एनीबडी कैन गेट सक्सेस इन एनी वर्क, in any work. Any the person who is materialistic field, he will think about to get food and shelter and these all things. Also religious and spiritual person also want food and shelter and these all things. But he has Ved Vigyan. Ved Vigyan means I'm different from the body. I'm soul. I'm different from the body. Body is not, I am not body. I'm not my feeling or emotions or thought or belief system. I'm beyond of this all things. I have this thing, but I'm not this. Suppose this plate, and plate kachori is there, plate jalebi is there, and a sweet dish, any spicy thing is there. So plate is different and the sweet dish is different. Like that, I'm soul, I'm like a plate, I'm like a space, anything can arise. Ego, jealous, revenge, anything can arise. But I'm not that thing. That is the bifurcation. If you bifurcate this like these in your life, keep from where I can get the eternal peace and success and happiness. The thing at the other way, but the help of any other thought or feeling or effort, I can get success, I can get the peace, happiness. But it's not, there is no eternal things. It will mortal. So I will choose this thing. That is the way. The Sammadrishti Jeev, who will believe in God, in pure soul, purity of soul, surely he will think, he will see immortality. Maybe, surely, not maybe, but surely, if we will attain that path of spirituality, for immortality, for God, for ultimate truth, surely in beginning, you will feel too much in so many obstacles in your life. This also happens in business. Isn't it? Answer me. If you start any business, then previous years, in 1 year, in 2 years, in 3 years, surely we will get so many obstacles. There was a survey in US. 90% businessmen, they will close their business, they will finish their business within 10 years. And after 10 years, if any businessman can survive, then surely just only 10% businessmen, they can get money and name and pick up success in any field of their life, in their business. That is the way. Obstacle will come, problem will come, because your karmic bondage, you are not here at first time on this planet and this earth, in this universe. Before this birth, you get so many billions and billions and trillion birth on this planet and other planets in this universe. Your immortal soul, so you're moving. 84 lakh yuniya, 84 lakh times, that is one circle. Then 84 lakh birth, then other circle, then 84 leg birth, then other circle. And in this way, you got trillion circle. Trillion, I'm thinking I'm not doing justice with this trillion. Trillion means trillion raised to trillion raised to trillion. I'm telling the use of terminology, technical word of math science. Maths. Trillion raised to trillion, trillion raised to trillion, trillion raised to trillion. Anadikal se jeev, anadikal. There is no beginning point of this thing. That is the vicious circle of death and birth, death and birth, death and birth, then birth, then death, then birth, then death, then here on this earth, then in heaven, in Swarga, in Narak, in hell. We get trillions times. Not only in this earth, but consider like this space, this much space, this much space. Like see my palm, here like this. At this place in space, I get trillions birth. Then this space, I got trillion birth and death. Then this space, then this space, then this space, and this space. Drabya Chitra Kal Bhav Pravartan. Regarding Jain methodology, regarding also Hinduism also. There is no place in this world where you didn't get millions and trillions birth and death. But body is dying. I'm not dying. Who am I? I'm the eternal source. I'm the infinite source of happiness. When you will get this much relation in your life now, surely you will get health and harmony and money and name and fame and whatever you want, each and area of your life. Especially it doesn't mean that only moksha. Especially means that wherever you are living in your life, you can get happiness in that area. Like agarbatti, like scent, like incense stick. So wherever you will start it now, then that corner will fragrance you. So spirituality is like that. It is like spiritualities and religious practice is like fragrance. It's like scent. It's like perfume. Whatever you are doing now, that field, that area of your life, it will fragrance you. It will enlighten. That is the fruit of religion.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।